Nigel, just over a year ago you introduced the Heidenhain control onto your HD range of VMCs. How successful has it been?
Well, it's been very successful. From a standing start, we've probably sold about 50 machines with it on, something like that. So it's been very successful. We're happy. Siemens is still our primary product, but Heidenhain, we are getting asked more and more. The first control I ever used was 40 years ago was a Heidenhain.
Well, it is a good control. I mean, it's a fabulous control, very easy to use, and like you say, there is a very big market for you. Do you think, in a sense, that this can only be a good thing for you, because it's not going to take sales away from your Siemens control, it's just going to add to what you can supply the market?
Absolutely. We've known in history that we've gone to a company trying to give them our Siemens offering, and they said we're Heidenhain, and we're not changing. So you don't even get people to come and have a look at your machines. We've had people come here and look at who said they've come to buy a Heidenhain and they've walked out having bought a Siemens, and we've had people come to look at Siemens and walking out with a Heidenhain.
Tell me about the actual control itself, this Heidenhain. It looks a fabulous bit of kit. Touch screen, huge screen on it.
Yep.
What's the version?
This is a 620 control. On our 5-axis we use the 640 control.
Right, okay, so and they're all quite powerful controls on these Heidenhains, aren't they? And the newest models.
Absolutely. The 620 really replaces the old 530 that I don't believe is in production anymore. And it's a super touch screen control. It looks very sexy.
Is there any difference to how the actual machine performs with whichever control you use, or are they similar? It still gets the best out of the hardware, whichever control?
Both controls give the same kind of performance from the machine tool, so there's no real difference there. But it's just a case of what you're using. I mean, I've got an Apple iPhone, and I don't want to convert to another Android brand, even though they might be better.
Yeah. I agree with that. And then the actual models of the XYZs that the Heidenhain is available on, so that people don't get confused. It is just the HD line, isn't it?
It's only the HD range at the moment, because there is a small price premium to pay for a Heidenhain, and so we don't want to introduce that into our lower cost machines.
So if you thought that XYZ, or you could buy an XYZ vertical machining centre with just a Siemens control, you're wrong, because you can actually buy them with the Heidenhain now as well. Thank you very much, Nigel.
Yes, and we've got them in stock.
And in stock, even better.